I keep my eyes sa life na gusto ko because that's where it will all start. Hindi pa talaga siya na tumulong sa maraming tao. Yes, you have that in your mind, but the first person that you want to help is your life, your family. Once that you're there, mas lalalim pala yung tulong sa ibang tao. So, eyes on the prize. Who do you want to be? Bakit ka nagsisipag araw-araw? Anong gusto mong puntahan? That's why if you have eyes on the prize, you will be so creative. You have a lot of juicy thoughts in your mind, sweet things na alam mo na pag ito ginawa ko, I'll nail it. And if you have eyes on the prize, you will not see the battles that's happening. You wouldn't see na there's something na parang, hindi ako nakapag-motivate sa ganito. Eyes on the prize. You will be motivated every day by yourself, not of others. And after getting it, the eyes on the prize for who you will become, you will have the eyes on the prize of how can you share it to other people. And I do believe na yayaman ka dahil maganda yung puso mo. Dahil alam mong mas marami kang taong matutulong. So, that's what I have. Na kahit bahala na, pagising ko, motivated talaga ako. I have my eyes on the prize. Na alam ko, someday I'll get it.